Hi guys, today we eat orange chicken and you guys want to make it? You guys want to know how to make it? Follow me. The ingredient for orange chicken is we have the sauce. First we have to make the sauce. The sauce we have water, ketchup, vinegar, sriracha sauce, orange syrup, soy sauce and sugar. Okay, let's make the sauce first guys. So you put sugar in here, okay, soy sauce, vinegar, the syrup, orange syrup, okay. So make sure you put the orange syrup here, and the last one is right here, the ketchup. Put the ketchup in, okay, and a little bit sriracha. After you put everything into the water, you mix well with all the ingredients inside, and the sauce should be done, guys. The sauce should be done. Sit here. The next part is we do the chicken, similar to yesterday. Okay, we just get the white part of the egg to the chicken. This today I don't get messy. Okay. And a little bit of sauce, and a little bit of water, and a little bit cornstarch, guys. Okay, just moisturize the chicken first. The next step is we make the wet flour. This is cornstarch, this much, guys. Okay, the cornstarch and the potato starch, and put more a little bit cornstarch. Okay, and a little bit of oil to the flour, and we put water. Okay, we put a little bit water like this. Okay, then we still mixing the flour. Okay, I think we need more a little bit water here. Okay, you just adjust water a little at a time until you see this flour, you know, turn to like a little bit. Everything go well together, mix well together. Okay. And after you're done with the flour should be thick like this, guys. Should be thick like this, okay? And you put the chicken into the flour. You mix well. You mix well with the flour. Let's put everything in. The big dinner for you guys, okay? And you mix well with the flour. See, make sure the chicken coated with all the flour you have. See, when the chicken coated with all flour like this, it should be good. See, all the chicken got into the flour like this, okay? And next part is you fry the chicken. So you test the oil, make sure you throw, when you see the flour flowing up like this, that's good, okay? Then you put the chicken piece by piece in. Like this. See, piece by piece, guys. Piece by piece, okay? Touch the oil. Okay. When you fry for a while, you see the color turn golden brown a little bit like this, and it's almost good, okay? When it's crispy, and you just remove it. Let's turn on, let's fire, turn on the wok. Orange chicken, okay, put a little bit of oil, and the sauce go in, guys. When the sauce boiling, you put the flour in. You see how thickened is the sauce? Okay. Let's go out the plate, guys. All right, orange chicken. Let's eat, guys. So good. So crispy of the chicken and the flavor and the sauce together. Wow. You gotta eat it and you gotta make it. See you soon.